Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can pass CSS as a property to the component. For that, we have here app component, and for app component, I create one more component and I give the name CSS props1 props1.tsx, and here I create this function. So I say fc and I give here name CSS props1, and I remove the extra setting that is coming here. Now I save this, and under here I just use div tag. Under this div tag I just display Dr. Vipin Classes, and I save this, and I can also put this under h2 like this, and I paste this inside this and I save it. So we have this here. Then I import this component here. So I say CSS props and self closing, save this, and if you see that we have this. Now I apply some CSS setting on it. So I say under the div tag I say style, then we have the expression tag, then I say text alignment to the center, then I say color of this is hash ff 000. Save this, and we have the red color and we have the setting at the center also. All is working perfectly. But now this property, this setting, I want to pass. I cut from here and I want to pass as a property from here. So I say that it is a CSS style equal to, and from here I want to pass this property. Save this. You see that I'm passing it as a property. Now I have to mention this. You see it's saying it's a string type, it is color type, and it's an object which we passing. All type of information is telling. So now I have to specify here in this property that we have a props, and that props of CSS props1 props type, this type, and here I give the name to this as a, I say props dot CSS style, like this, that I am passing from here. Now I have to create this here CSS style, then what data type we have to specify here, that is the question, because this is the setting of CSS and we are passing this as an object also. So what kind of data type we pass? If I say here, so it automatically specified that it's any type. If I click here, it's a string type. If I click here, it's a string type. So for this confusion, React provide a special kind of property that is called CSS property. Automatically we have from the React side like this. So we have a CSS type of property that we are passing here, and that is the property which coming from here. And if you will see the same output you will have here, we are refreshing this, we have a same output, but this time we are passing this CSS setting from the app component to the CSS prop1 component here. Remember this. So if more property of CSS type you want to pass, then remember that we have a single data type, that is react.css properties. With the help of this you can specify that the property which we are passing here, that is not a separate integer or a string type, it is of CSS properties. That's why we can specify here an interface like this. So that's all in this video. If you learn something from this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.